Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Mr.Nikul and today we'll be discussing another interesting chapter in pharmaceutical jurisprudence, that is the drugs and magic remedies, that is also called as Objectionable Advertisements Act 1954 and Rules 1955. The Drugs and Magic Remedies Act is an act of the Parliament of India which controls advertising of drugs in India. Let's see what are its objectives. Their first major objective is to prohibit advertisements of related to the drugs and remedies which claim that they have the magical properties and make doing so a cognizable offense. Then to provide or to prohibit the advertisements which are related to the drugs and remedies which makes false claims and are likely to mislead the public. Okay? Then we'll just discuss the major definitions in this chapter in this video lecture, and the other points would be continued in the next video lecture. So the first definition, that is advertisement. Advertisement is the thing that we come across day to day and time to time when we all are there on social media, watching movies on TV and etc. So what actually an advertisement is, that is, if we define it properly, it includes notices, circulars, labels, wrappers, or the documents or any announcement made orally or by any means that are producing or transmitting light, sound or smoke. Okay? Then is drug. This term is so much so familiar in the field of pharmacy that from the right from the beginning of the first class of the pharmacy, we start learning what actually the drug is. Drug is the medicine for internal or external use of human beings or animals, or in other words it can be stated as it is the substance indeed to be used for or in the diagnostic, cure, mitigation, treatment or prevention of disease in the human beings or animals. While it may be also defined as any article other than food which has been engulfed to affect or influence in any way the structure or organic function of the body of the human beings or animals. Or as a whole or summarizingly, we can say any article intended for the use of component of any medicine, substance or article which is referred in the point number 1, 2 and 3. Then is magic remedy. Magic remedy is the one which includes talisman, mantras, kavachs or any other charms of any kind which is alleged to possess miraculous power for or in the diagnostics, cure, mitigation, treatment or prevention of any diseases in the human beings or animals, or for the affecting or influencing in any way the structure or any organic function of the body of the human beings or animals. Then is registered medical practitioner, that is RMP. Who to be called as RMP is the one who holds the qualification which has been granted by an authority specified in or notified under section 3 of Indian Medical Degrees Act 1916 or specified in the schedules of Indian Medical Council Act 1956. Or it also may be defined as a person who is entitled to be registered as a medical practitioner under any law for the time being in force or in any state to which this act extends relating to the registration of medical practitioner. Hope you understood the definitions related to this chapter, that is advertisement, drug, magic remedy and registered medical practitioner, and what are the objectives of this act. The other points related to this chapter like prohibition of advertisements and the classes which have been exempted from the advertisements and the offences and penalties relating to the Drug and Magic Remedies or Objectionable Advertisements Act would be discussed in upcoming video lecture. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe and thank you. Jai Hind.